Spices. I was tagged by Christy's cooking channel to do the Funky Spaghetti Challenge, and I'm finally getting around to it. Basically, the Funky Spaghetti Challenge is cooking something with spaghetti noodles that maybe most people wouldn't put together. But to tell you the truth, my family actually likes this side dish, and a lot of times I cook it with chicken parmesan or some other Italian dish. So without further ado, let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is get a package of spaghetti noodles and start cooking them up like it says on the package. And this is just a 16-ounce package, so it's not a very big package. And just start cooking them up. And then of course just put a little oil in it so that none of the noodles stick to each other. And give it a good stir. And when they are fully cooked, we'll come back and drain them. Okay, so once you drain your noodles, you want to add about a half a stick of butter to your noodles. And then just let it melt into the noodles. Once your butter is melted, you want to add a package of dried ranch mix. You can do dip or you can do the salad dressing mix. Just whatever one you want, but just one package. And just sprinkle it all over and stir that so it's a nice even coat. And then you want to add some Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to use about half the container. You can do a quarter to half the container, but I like a lot of Parmesan. Stir it in between, and a little more. A lot more, should I say. And give that a good stir again, just so everything is coated. And then it is done. I hope you guys enjoyed making this a fun, funky spaghetti challenge video with me. So let's give it a try. So good. Flavorful and easy to make. So the other channels that I am taking is The Cooking Corner, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Van's World. I hope you guys take the challenge on and go ahead and make it. And of course, I will put all these channels in the link below. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.